Assalamu alaikum friends. Hope everyone is fine. So just only 2 days left to start our classes. Inshallah from 1st December we will start our class through online Zoom meeting, and it's a Saudi Arabia time like 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Between that we will start the class. And which people are already registered, we will prepare one WhatsApp group, and there we can share before start the class we will share the Zoom link. So only 2 days left. If you want get training, or if you want just a certification, it's up to you. Just fill your forms and submit to our customer which support person. Let's see, hurry up and grab this opportunity. We don't have any idea after this class we have another session or not. So which people are just really interested to attend the training classes of electrical quality controller or instrument quality controller, just hurry up. Thank you.